Imagine stumbling upon a secret, a truth so profound, it changes everything. Hidden in the ordinary, buried beneath the surface of the everyday, you discover a treasure beyond measure. It's not gold or jewels, but something far more precious, the kingdom of heaven. This treasure, as Jesus tells us, is like nothing you've ever encountered. It's a joy so deep it resonates in your very soul, a peace that stills the storms within, a love that overflows and transforms. The man in the parable, upon discovering this treasure, felt such overwhelming joy that he knew he had to possess it. He didn't hesitate, he didn't waver, he recognized its infinite worth and acted accordingly. This parable isn't just a story, it's an invitation to open our eyes and see the treasure hidden in plain sight. It's a call to recognize the immeasurable value of the kingdom of heaven, a realm of love, grace, and eternal life. And just like the man who sold all he had to buy the field, we too are called to prioritize this treasure above all else. This might mean letting go of things that hold us back, sacrificing comfort for something far greater. The path to the kingdom might not be easy, but the reward is beyond comprehension. It's a treasure that enriches our lives here and now and promises an eternity of joy in the presence of God. So I ask you, what treasure are you seeking? What are you willing to give up to find it? The kingdom of heaven awaits, a treasure hidden in the field of life, waiting to be discovered by those who seek it with all their heart. Are you ready to dig?